Just a reminder before this video even gets started. After today, I start my vacation. So all the videos you've seen this week was not my vacation, but it was to keep the videos going while I'm on vacation. Yes, they were all done last week. So as of today, as you're seeing this video, I am pretty much finishing up my vacation. Guys, we're going to fish. It's a nice, cool, cloudy day. We may have some rain in the area. We're going to try some fishing because the last time we was here, we did extra good. And today, I'm going to use a dough ball that's made out of lemon jello. We'll see if that makes a difference. As I said the other day in the video, we're going to be camping hopefully for 3 days. 2 of them days we're going to be camping here in Versailles State Park, which has already happened. By the time you see this video, it's already happened. We're going to camp one day overnight in Hoosier National Forest. We're hoping to do some exploring. We're hoping to find some caves. We're hoping to do some trails. This vacation, we're going to go a little bit of everywhere and just have some fun. That's right. We're going to have the park all to ourselves because the days we're camping here is going to be on a Sunday and Monday. Nobody's really here on them 2 days. So we're going to have the whole park to ourselves, and I just had a heck of a good bite. I should be back. Or I should attend to this, huh? The wind's blowing pretty good today. That's good and bad. It makes it hard to tell when you got a bite. And 2, it just makes it a little bit difficult. But the good thing is, hey, it's nice and cool. I'm here to tell you, it feels good out here. Sometimes when I fish, I think I'm nothing but a damn crybaby. Think about it for a second. I got all the stuff for comfort right here, right? Even a beautiful wife. And yet I still find something to bitch about. Right? All I ask is if my wife can get me a water, because I had the water bag right down there.
They had it way back.
You know, some of our comfort stuff, and I asked her could she hand me a water, and she started to gripe about it. I mean, gee whiz, wife.
No, you asked, where's the water bag? And I said, I put it in the wagon. Well, what'd you do that for? I had
Yeah, why would she put it in the wagon when I had the water bag right there?
You had the water bag right here, so I picked the water
Oh
bag
my
up,
Lord, I
put it in the
tell you
wagon,
what.
Put the wagon right there. So it's higher up.
I tell you. Ooh, there's a fish that just jumped. You see that, Ange?
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh,
while
yeah.
You were griping.
We're just funning. Okay, my theory today is, or was, we didn't go to the store and get any Jello. So Ange, hold on, let me dip underneath my line. Ange is like, we got some lemon. Would that work? I was like, you know what? Lemon will be the color of yellow. And here's my theory. Carp love corn, right? So look at this. Right there's our dough ball. It's actually working, even though we haven't caught nothing. But we're getting bites. Now, does that mean we found something out? I don't know. Time will tell. Now, the last vacation we took, we did plan it out for every single day. And it went on without a hitch. Normally, when we plan something, it doesn't go to plan. This one, we kind of know what we want to do. We definitely had to plan a little bit for camping, but beyond that, we're just going to spare the moment, so to speak. We know what we like to do. When we're going to do it, we don't know. We're just going to try. And we figure when we don't plan, it's usually when we had the best times. Now, we definitely want a rowboat or kayak or canoe. Don't know which one I want to try yet. The kayaks, I don't know. It's like you're down inside of a cylinder, and I don't know if I like that. I've never done... I rowboat when I was a kid quite a few times. I've never kayaked or canoe before. She has, haven't you?
No.
Yeah.
No.
But not kayak though, right?
No.
On the last video I did, it was kind of cute. We ran across the kid, right? I was trying to get down to the creek as close as I could to get some underwater footage, and this little kid comes up and says, "Be careful with the copperheads." I looked at Angie, I was like, as far as I know, There is no copperheads here. But then again, I could be wrong. I've found a few in my own backyard, but it was so cute. The kids like, be careful with the copperheads. So we looked down and says, thank you, we will. It was so cute. Oh, man. Well, the wind's making it really difficult, guys. I may go down to one pole and hold it. That's the only way I'm going to be able to tell if I'm getting a bite. That, unless my pole bends all the way down. It will if I get a carp. That I guarantee. But yeah. It's happening. And we're planning. Actually, we ain't planning nothing. We're just sitting back, just killing time. That's what we doing, man. That's what you do when you fish. You kill time, you bull poop. That's right. Hey, like I said, bull poop. That's because I already said one dirty word in this video. I try not to do too many dirty words. I allow myself one dirty word every so often. Just saying. I think I mentioned this in my previous videos. For the whole time I'm on vacation, I'm not going to shave my head or my face. No. I'm going to play lazy. I'm hoping to do a lot of hiking trails. I've been watching kayakers go up and down the water. I thought it'd be too windy for them. But I guess if you're experienced, it doesn't matter. Still getting bites on the dough ball, but nothing I could pull in. Might switch over to worm, fish a little bit longer, than call it. And get the work week over with and go on vacation. Yeah. Now, the lemon dough balls seem to work, but... Uh-oh, here we go. There's a bite. I'll be back. I can actually see my string now. For some reason, I wasn't able to see this stupid string. Sometimes it's hard to see the spider wire. I switched over to the worm. I want to at least catch something before I call it quits today. And the conditions we're having right now, I think it's perfect conditions for catching fish. Nice and cool, cloudy, sweat bees. That always counts. Alright guys, I'm going to fish a little bit more. If I catch it, we'll get it on GoPro if it works. Now, the last time I went fishing, I tried to get the GoPro me catching the fish, and the darn thing was acting up. It was recording, and I didn't think it was, and yeah, it shut itself off. Then I turned it back on right when I was bringing the fish up to kind of get it on GoPro. Yeah, that was the first carp I caught the other day, by the way. We talked to the gate person, the gatekeeper is what I call him. We got here, so since we're going to be camping Sunday and Monday, we pretty much will have the pick of any campsite we want. So we have a few in mind. But guys, we're going to pretty much wrap it here soon. Oh, I'm just like done for today. You ever feel that way? I'm just kind of like done. Just go home. Had to go to the store and get supper. Make supper. Sit back, relax. Wake up tomorrow morning, walk 5.5 miles. I'm getting a bite. I'm actually right here. Look at this. Here's my pool. Look at that bite. Watch this. Right there, my friends. I've caught enough turtles. I know. That's turtle bites. Yeah. Now, all of a sudden, my pool starts going down. Then I'm going to grab that sucker because that means possibly a carp. That's why I like fishing for carp. They don't play around. They don't. Alright. Let's fish a little bit longer and see what we can do. I was hoping to catch one today. But that's okay. This video is more about me going on vacation. And you guys won't miss any videos. If anything, the first video going up for your Monday, I will probably have to do that right when I get home from vacation. Then edit up the rest as time goes on. If I do a video every single day on vacation, that's 3 weeks of videos. Holy. I probably won't be getting that many. No. I mean, I'll be getting a lot of videos, but not 3 weeks worth. Only have 3 videos a week, so if you add them up, you know. You know. Alright guys, this was more of an update video if anything. But there you go. Expect Monday's video to be the start of our vacation videos. So it could be every bit of the next 2, maybe 3 weeks. Some cool videos. I will see you when I'm on vacation. Guys, thanks for watching. Take care, and I'm pooped. I'm tired. I'm going home. Maybe take a nap. Until next time, until vacation, and to our next adventure. We'll see you then, guys. Come on. Let's get out of here. I'm spent. I need to take a break before I go on vacation. Just saying.